Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review, in my opinion, of the Dave Canterbury stainless steel canteen set. So let's get right into it. First off, I paid for this with my own money. Nobody sent this to me. Completely honest review. We're going to go over what I think about it, what it looks like, and then we're going to actually go test it. So first thing that I'm noticing, which is kind of ridiculous, is this whole case is like Chinese garbage. Like everything on this case is so cheap. The buckle, the cinch straps, even the I'm guessing that's nylon, I'm not real sure. But he has these belt loops that looks like they should attach to a molly pack. You can see it has like built-in molly straps, so you would like interweave them to put them on gear. But it's sewed right here and right here, and they don't come apart. I don't understand that. That seems like a quality control issue. So besides the sheath being, or the case being completely trash, the canteen actually looks pretty good. Let's get into it. Alright, so we have our canteen cup lid with drain holes. If you couldn't tell, it's from the Pathfinder, Dave Canterbury. His logo's on everything. The canteen cup itself, another logo, another logo. He definitely wanted to make sure you guys knew where it came from. We have our canteen cup. With our interlocking brace there. Another logo, that way you guys don't miss it. And we got our stove. So one thing I can tell you right now is the quality of this set actually looks pretty good. The sheath in the case is garbage. I like this. This is kind of the World War II style handle. Excuse me. And it looks like they've put more material on it to keep it level with the surface so it doesn't rock back and forth. That's pretty nice. Well, it looks like it sits on there pretty well at canteen cup. Canteen. Well, that works. The whole reason I bought this set is because it's like your whole cook set and canteen set all in one, and it's kind of a knockout for everything you need. Alright guys, well, let's go take this down to the creek and get some water. Fire this bad boy up and see how she does. Alright guys, we're down here at the creek. Show you this lid real quick. Looks like it's got a good rubber seal on there, heavy duty lid, more logo, big wide mouth canteen, another logo. Ooh, let's see, designed in the USA, but I would beg to differ that this is probably made in China if I had to guess. Which is a little ridiculous when you realize that this set, with the cook set and everything, was almost $70. So, besides that, let's get into it. Let's go find somewhere to go fill up. pick us a spot here. Let's see. I'd rather fill up right here on this fall than actually dip it into the water, because there's all kinds of little bits of sediment and creepy crawlies and everything like that. At least dripping off this fall, it's going through all of the kind of the earth's filter. Let's see. Let's go over here, see if we can fill it up a little bit more. This is a huge canteen. It's taking quite a bit of time to fill up, guys. Alright, I'd say we're about 3/4 full there. Let's go put the cap on her. Take her back up to the top. Let's go test her out. Alright guys, got the fire going here. Let it burn down to some coals and we'll get started. Looks like we're starting to get a little bit of a boil in there. Let that sit for about 10 minutes there. We'll know everything's been boiled off. Had to reinforce the coals a little bit. Alright, we'll come back when we're ready to do the drink test. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take her off the fire here. Got a good boil going. Let her cool off, we'll do our drink test. Got my survival oven mitt. Alright, we'll be back. Alright guys, let's test out the cook set part. Deli down in there. Something about the cook set that I just noticed. I don't know how well you guys can see that on the inside there. There are measurements, which is great. We are going to cook up some chunky spicy chicken and sausage gumbo. Stay tuned, see how it turns out. Chunkalicious. All right. Let's see how she goes. Let's not forget the lid. Alright guys, let's do our final review here. Let's see how the set worked. The set worked pretty good. The stand definitely worked better once it had some weight on it. I think that's what the problem was in the beginning. Test our water here. Got water in here. Good to go. Soup, chunky soup. Overall guys, I think this set is a pretty good deal. My only complaint is you're definitely going to have to buy a different case for your canteen set. But other than that, is it worth $70? Yeah, you're really not going to find this anywhere else? Are you paying a lot for the name, Pathfinder Dave Canterbury name? Yeah. Yeah, you definitely are. Other than that, guys, see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.